Hey guys, welcome back to another video of D.I.Y. My sign is gone, a new sign is coming up on the way, but yeah, for this video it's going to be gone. Cue the intro. You saw the title. Today we're making Iron Man's arm. Not the nano gauntlet from Endgame, just his arm. Let's do it. The most important thing you'll need is a glove. So I found these gloves. They're red and black. On the inside they're black and on the outside they're red. So what I'm thinking we'll do is we'll put some cardboard on and we'll spray paint it all red and gold. Oh, by the way, we're making the
Mark 48, I believe.
I need to find a picture of it, but a Mark 48. So anyway, we're going to spray paint this. I think it should adhere, the spray paint should adhere to this pretty well because it's very, rough. So that should be nice. And we're just going to slowly add on to there until we get a full arm. Okay, so basically I traced my palm, excluding fingers, cut that out, put it onto cereal box cardboard, cut that out, put it onto my palm, and then I made the necessary shapes for the back of the hand. Okay, so the inside and the outside of this glove is done. It's looking really, really good. It is kind of restricting my movement over here. I tried to make it so it doesn't do that, but it is kind of. But I can still move my arms like this, go like this, all that. So now we're going to make the little armor for the fingers. Now this is kind of important that you do this step because you want to make a shape like this. So when you wrap it around your finger and glue it around like so, if you can see it, you still can be able to move your finger. So we're going to make 3 of those for each finger and then we're going to glue them on. Yeah, so I just did that for all the fingers, 3 for every finger. I think only 2 for the thumb and 2 for the pinky, or 3 for the pinky actually. And yeah, and while you're doing this, make sure to move your hands a lot and try to move your hands a lot so you know what kind of movement you can do and just really test it out, you know? And I am so yeah, like I said, just test around with it and it'll be good. Okay, so I'm done with this, with all the rings, and now we're going to do the little circle in the middle where the light is going to go. I actually think that we're not going to put a light, it's just going to be some blue lighting gel instead of a light, because there's really no way to fit a light, a bunch of lights in here, and not that I have anyway. So, yeah, actually I like this a lot better than I thought it would. It's actually looking very, very nice, and yeah, let's get to the next part. Yeah, this might be kind of hard to explain, but I cut a circle. Hey guys, so what's up? It is now day 2, and we are going to spray paint this awesome Iron Man glove. I actually really like it. It makes me feel like Iron Man. It's so cool. I tried to make it so I can make a fist, but I really can't. I can go like this. That's the closest thing I can do to a fist. And yeah, now you're probably thinking, wait, why are we spray painting it right now if we need to make the whole arm piece? Well, that's because when we do make the whole arm piece, we're going to have to mask off a lot of stuff, and we're going to do it all. If we're going to spray paint it all at the end, we're going to have to mask off everything. So I'm gonna do 2 parts, like this glove, and then we're gonna spray paint the back. And yeah, let's do it. Okay guys, welcome back. It is now day 3 of the project, and this Iron Man glove is done. Now, all you have to do is make the arm. Also, I'm gonna make I'm gonna take black sharp, make some details in here because it kind of looks bland, just red and gold. So yeah, not for the arm. We could have done where when we go like this, a thing will pop up, and I tried to do that actually right here, but the problem was it was too bulky. Like, see this? It's just huge on my arm. So I decided, here, we can actually look at this. Here's how it would look. It would look really, really weird. So I decided that I'm not gonna make it pop up, but instead I'm gonna make it look very sleek and nice. So it's either really make it look sleek and nice but not pop up, or make it look big and bulky but pop up. And I choose sleek and nice. But if you want to make it look, like this, I have some instructions. I'll post a video of what I did to make it go up like this, and maybe you can go from there. Okay, so basically what will happen was a rubber band will pull that, and it'll sort of pop up like that. I use just thumbtacks and cardboard, and it just pops open like that. And that string, that rubber band, goes under the cardboard and attaches to your hand. So when you put your hand down, it'll pull that and shoot up. If that's not too confusing, sorry. Anyway, I'm gonna add some Sharpie details right now and make the arm, and that's pretty much it. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I don't have a video for this. For some reason I did have one, but then it just didn't load on the phone. But anyway, what I did was I just made a basic shape of it. I looked at the picture and made the basic shape of the arm, wrapped cardboard around my arm, did all that, made some shapes, and used some triangles to give it a curved look, and yeah. Okay, here are the shapes. They get spray painted red, gold, and one gets spray painted gray, that one right there. And yeah, we're just gonna do that now. Guys, when you're spray painting, don't forget to wear a mask because, you know, it smells and stuff. And be safe, and yeah. Now, I'm gonna wait for them all to dry and put them all together, and then we're done, basically. Oh, by the way, guys, that is the arm piece right there. So now I'm just taking all the spray painted pieces and gluing them on to make the Iron Man arm. Hey guys, and what's up? This is the completed Iron Man gauntlet. So I'm going to run through some stuff I didn't talk about in the video. Let's get to that. So basically I spray painted it all red, and then I covered it in masking tape, the stuff that I wanted to stay red, and then spray painted it gold. So some stuff is red, some stuff is gold. Next I did this right here. The repulsor ray or arc reactor or whatever is just actually a piece of cardboard, a circle of cardboard that is blue with duct tape, and I glue that in. It's nothing special. I would recommend using lighting gel, but I didn't have it, so I'll make it with what I have. And yeah, I add some Sharpie details here, if you can't see it, it's right there. Then, now for this part, the arm. So basically, I separated the parts, like the parts right here, and I spray painted them all separately. So I spray painted them red, gold, and gray, and then I glued them on. So I just spray paint it all at a time and mask it off, and that actually was really helpful. And that's pretty much it. This is the whole build, and it's awesome. If you like this video, make sure to like down below and subscribe, and don't forget to have a good one. I am Iron Man.